Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's tutorial is perfect for anyone working with Figma who wants to download design assets quickly and efficiently. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to export entire pages or just individual assets from your Figma project, ready to use in all your upcoming web or app builds. Whether you're collaborating with a team or handing off files to developers, these exporting techniques will keep your workflow smooth and frustration-free. Let's dive right in. So I have my Figma project open here. Let's say it's a set of beautiful landing page designs. Now, maybe you want to download the whole design collection at once, or maybe you just need one particular component or section. I'll show you both methods and share a few tips along the way to make sure you get exactly what you need. First, if you're looking to download all your designs at once, here's what you want to do. Start by heading over to the Design tab. You'll see this on the right sidebar above your Layers and Assets panels. This is the area where you can control pretty much every aspect of your design elements, so it's right where we need to be. When you're in the Design tab, look for the Export section. It's usually down at the bottom, so you might need to scroll a little. Don't worry if you don't spot it right away, just make sure you have the correct frame, group, or element selected. Sometimes, if nothing is selected, the export option won't show up, so make sure you click on the top-level frame if you want to save the entire design. Once you've found that export button, go ahead and click it. Now you'll get a few options. You can choose what file format you'd like to save your asset in. Figma offers several popular choices like PNG, JPG, SVG, and PDF, depending on what you're exporting. Think about what you'll be using these files for. PNG is a great all-purpose option, especially for web graphics. SVG is ideal for icons or anything vector-based, and PDF can be handy for print-ready layouts. Choose your file type, set the scale if you want to export at a different size, and then click the Final Export button. Figma will package your designs up and save them right to your computer. Now let's say you only need to export a single part of your design, maybe just one hero section, button, or an icon. To do this, simply click to select that individual design element. Make sure it's highlighted and then, just like before, find the Export section at the bottom of the design panel. You'll repeat the same steps, pick your file format, check your export settings, then hit Export. This allows for precise exporting, making sure you only get what you need without any extra layers or elements you don't. A quick tip here, if you ever export something and the image seems empty or cropped weirdly, double-check that you've selected the entire group or frame, not just a layer within it. Sometimes it helps to group elements together or use frames for better control over what gets exported. That's pretty much it. Simple, but incredibly powerful once you get the hang of it. Don't worry if exporting feels a bit clunky the first time. With a bit of practice, you'll be downloading assets from Figma like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, maybe about specific file types or handling larger projects, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Figma tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.